In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons from SVG and Recolor in PowerPoint. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and heading to the exact slide where you want the icon to appear. It helps to glance at your layout and leave a little room where the icon will sit so it integrates cleanly with your text or visuals. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. If you already have an SVG file saved on your computer, choose Pictures, then this device. If you prefer using PowerPoint's built-in library, you can pick Icons instead. But for this walkthrough, we'll focus on bringing in your own SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, and the big advantage is that it scales up and down without getting blurry, which is perfect for presentations. Browse to your SVG file, select it, and click Insert. You'll see the icon drop onto your slide. Make sure it's selected. You'll know it is when you see sizing handles around it. With the SVG selected, look at the ribbon for the Graphics Format tab. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, it may simply appear as Format, but it will show options specific to graphics. This tab is your control center for color and appearance. To change the icon's internal color, click Graphics Fill. You can choose from theme colors to keep consistency with your slide design, or pick a solid color that matches your brand or visual style. If you're aligning the icon with other elements, consider choosing a theme color so it adapts automatically if you change the presentation's color scheme later. To adjust the edge color, click Graphics Outline. Pick an outline color that complements your fill, or set it to no outline if you want that clean, flat look. A subtle outline can help an icon pop on busy backgrounds, while no outline gives a modern, minimal feel. Now resize the icon to fit your layout. Click and drag a corner handle to scale it up or down, keeping the proportions intact. Because it's an SVG, it will remain crisp at any size, which means you can confidently make it small for a label or large for a focal graphic without losing quality. That's it. You opened your presentation, inserted an SVG, used Graphics Fill to recolor the icon, Graphics Outline to refine the edge, and resized it to fit perfectly. With these tools, you can keep your slides consistent, polished, and clear, all while taking advantage of the flexibility that vector icons provide.